guys, me Peyton. I have a special guest here, and his YouTube name is Roblox Master, capital YT. So go subscribe to him, shout out to him, and here he is.
Hey guys, today we'll be doing the Loud Sound Challenge, and since we don't want to be copyrighted, we're giving out every single person's channel name, so go and check out their channel.
Yeah, and I don't want to be copyrighted, so
Please go and check out their channel. And if we say, what the heck, sorry, this is no hate, it just might be something really loud, or because it is the Loud Sound Challenge. So
Loud Sound Challenge.
yeah, so we'll get right into this. And so the first one is, what's
This annoying thing. It's called The Most Annoying Sounds All in One. And his username is...
we don't know how to say it.
Yeah,
sorry, no hate. It's TJJENKINS4. Go and subscribe to them.
Go subscribe.
Yep. So here it is. So we're actually gonna have like reactions though. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just...
What?
Let me see.
Give me this. Give me it.
Okay, pause it. Oh my god, his face.
So,
Okay.
now we're going to be doing.
We just went up, down.
So we're doing dryer makes noises, squealing, grinding. It sounds.
No, say your name so we don't get copyrighted.
Yeah. So it's
their name
it's
is...
Appliance Help Online.
Go subscribe to them. It's no space, and the A on appliance is capital.
Yeah,
and
the
help, the A on appliance is capital. The H on help is capital.
Help.
And the O on line is capital. It's all one, and there's no spaces.
And Brooke, no one cares about you.
What the heck? He's not swag. I'm gonna jump out this window. Swag man. What?
Okay.
Well, we aren't doing that video because
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, pause it. Okay, squeaky sound effect. And their
name is Benjamin Play.
All capital.
Yep.
Space between Benjamin and Play.
Wait, no, none of it's capital.
I said all lowercase.
No, you said all capital.
All lowercase.
Best 2017 best sound of the year. Actually, I'm just gonna stand over here and play them, and your reaction will happen. What the heck?
My reaction, man. What are you typing in? What are you typing in?
Perfect.
It's a guinea pig.
Yeah, and guys, and this one is Animals Review.
A on animals, capital, no space, and then R on review, capital. Go subscribe.
And that sounds
Sad. That's my reaction,
Next one. So,
okay, how about not reaction, but the dance to it,
yeah.
the ducky one or
We're going to do. Okay, these guys' name is iVideos.
So this is a video tutorial
Oh my.
for those of you who It's doing that for all the videos. Put it back on.
Jeez, that's loud. Remember, you can only record 15 minutes long.
Do that by holding down.
Can't. How do you know?
Because I know that. So stay over there.
What are you doing now?
I'm looking for another one. Here.
On the home button and the power button here on the side. For 10 seconds, you're gonna do it.
It's this person is Stephanie, capital AR and then 80. And this is a very loud bird that sounds like Squeaky Toy.
Do a better one.
I know. High pitched toilet fix.
Yeah.
I work for Bud Light.
What the
That's the acronym. I work for Bud Light.
All caps. I mean all lowercase.
Yeah, you have problems with doing that. Sorry guys, ads.
All lowercase and shut that up. All lowercase and no space.
What the? Okay, this is.
Husband, nice. Today I'm going to be changing my fill valve in my toilet. It's making lots.
Do this noise again.
Husband, nice. Today I'm going to be changing my fill valve in my toilet. It's making lots of noise.
What? In your butt? So there's the go and subscribe to for I work for Bud Light, no spaces, and all lowercase. Subscribe from them. Okay,
There's someone
so
outside.
what?
There's someone outside. Okay.
You want to end up the video or you want more?
Where's your glasses? I'm gonna wear your glasses.
Hey, do you want to end off the video here or?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment what video you want me to do next. I can't do a Minecraft video because I don't have the thing that Preston has. And I'm only gonna tell you about it. And then comment on this one if you want me to do a makeup video. So, and Lizzie, you can go yourself. Thank you, subscribe, and
Guys.
love you guys.